Pungios, this is the CM027 head mount from Ulanzi. It's a great way to be able to put an action cam like your Insta360 if you have the X4 or even a GoPro. My wife and I celebrated our 15-year anniversary, and I wanted to be able to film and have something from my perspective as well as being able to fix this to my head. We went on a bike ride and I was able to have this over my helmet, and it was easy to be able to attach and go on for long extended periods of time. It's got a really high quality elastic strap. It's got 360 rotation, and it's got firm pads to be able to reduce fatigue for those extended periods of time. With that said, let's unbox this, show you what you're getting yourself into, and show off some of that footage here that I used for this pretty cool product. My box came pretty tattered, as you can see, pulling it out, but this is it. It's very lightweight, which is what I appreciate. It actually has two different areas where you can adjust, so you got that multi-angle protection, and then it's got the awesome Ulanzi 360-degree pivoting here, so if you wanted to have it vertical or horizontal, it can support whichever angle that you need. It's got this rugged polycarbonate back here with foam and microfiber cushioning, as well as on the forehead side to be able to fit the majority, if not all sizes and shapes. Having it on my helmet was really great. I was able to record the majority of my little bike ride with my wife. I thought it was really fun. In the box, it just comes with this, and you do get a thumb screw mount. So if you wanted to mount it, I'm gonna go and mount my 360 camera. I also have the Ulanzi bracket to be able to mount. This makes for really silly content because this is like hanging over your forehead. So I had some video in the pool where I was in the hot tub with my wife, and this was just really silly videoing like this, as you can see. What's fun about the 360 camera is you can get the entirety of the angle, and having this on your forehead is really nice. I also obviously had my GoPro on my forehead, which allowed me to have really buttery, smooth, and stabilized content. You can see Park City was really beautiful. We had a nice little getaway, being able to bike up the canyon and have fun recording the really pretty vistas. With that said, highly recommend this. This is my go-to. I've needed to have a head strap for some time, and recording it here at your face is, I think, really fun and funny. Nonetheless, you can obviously put your other cameras. I have the GoPro Mini 12, which I think is perfect. It's not too cumbersome. And what's nice here is that this mount can affix in any direction. So if you wanted to have it higher up in the air, you can definitely opt into that.